Alright everybody, so we're just going to go over some trading opportunities that happened today. It weren't really a lot, as you know it's pretty slow, right? So I'll just show that this spring, this hit right here, first of all the trend is up, right? So you know that springs in uptrends are very lucrative. Why? Because when it consolidates, springs tend to resolve the trading range. And I think that's what's happening right here. It happened here, but it got stuffed at resistance. So they respring, and I think it's going to resolve this trading range to go higher. Anyway, where was I? Okay, so here it was. It hit the spring, and the buyers came in. Now, you don't know if buyers are going to come in or not. You have to see, well, are they going to come in? And they came in. So it did a spring. Buyers came in right there. This is 3.1 times average up volume. So 3.1 times average buying volume. It's only the biggest in 3 waves, but the other stat, which is how big is it compared to average volume, was very high. It's over 3 times average up volume. So I knew that this is it. All right, it's going to go up. After that, this is what really is annoying, because it had a very shallow pullback and then consolidated here. Where am I doing? Alright, so it consolidated here and then just continued. Now, I was hoping for it to come back in this area because I wanted to buy it here. Unfortunately, it didn't come back and just went up. So, I mean, what are you going to do? Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. And this one here is very clear. It's swept. You see that down, up, down, boom. That's a change of behavior, buying, and it goes. So also note that, not every wave is a change of behavior. You have to know where and how and all of that. But here it is. Here is the buying off the low. Why professionals buy low, and that's what they did. They got an opportunity here, and they ran it. And it's all the way up here, so looking for it to test this area. Alright, now next is on the crude. Crude had a small bounce. I thought it might have an opportunity. What happened was, it was going down, then, the biggest buying in right here, what is this? The biggest in 10 waves came in. You know why? Because they were sweeping some low. They're sweeping a low. And I think this might just be preliminary, and still it's gonna this preliminary accumulation is done. Now I want to see if this buying wave becomes serious. But anyway, the point here that I'm trying to make is this is the initial buying, and then it did a full test, and I thought that's it. It's gonna go, because right here, was it this? I think it was this bar. One of these bars is a big bar. And what happened was, you had the biggest in 10 waves and 2 times average up volume. So this buying activity making a higher high and a very low volume pullback. Look at the volume here. There's nothing here. No selling volume. And it makes a higher high. After that, it goes all the way down, springs, and then attempts to go up. But it got stuffed at resistance. Otherwise, it would have broken out and gone. But, they basically stopped it at resistance, and they take it below these lows. And now I want to see if it comes back within this range with authority, and then it's going to go higher. So this is like more of a break even. Getting over here, goes up, retest, and then comes back to break even. So this here was another trade on gold. It's good opportunity. You see 23.28 right here, 23.28, right? And it goes up, and I'm looking for it to do an ABC spring. Sweep 23.28, and it did exactly that. It did 23.27, 1 point below 23.28. as it did that, look at the buying activity. So after it did the buying activity, I wanted to see where the buyers, and obviously they made the lows, right? So it goes up, and now came back and pulled back, and where they defended, they came back in, and now it's we'll see how high this goes. I don't know, but I know that this was the buying zone or buying what is it, area, origin. All right, so that's where this thing went, and this is where I expect it to go. I expect it to go here because they're going to defend it. Why? Look at the move. Up, no pullback, or very little pullback, and up. So there's a lot of buying activity emanating from this area, which is on a support level, and then it retests it, springs 23.28 by going to the low of 23.27. Buying activity comes, retest, and now it's going to go. So we'll see how high it goes, but it's just not moving fast. It's very, very slow because of summer markets. So that's all you can do about that. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. I don't really see any other opportunities. You know, if you caught the crude shorts anywhere here, good for you. But I'm not really into the shorting of crude because, I mean, everything that's going on, you know, it's obviously with the, you know, holidays and all that coming, a couple of days, expect higher prices. So anyway, we're going to see how this thing reacts here at 82.72 because it's testing the breakdown. The breakdown here is the biggest bar in 100 bars. And guess what? This is in the area of it being tested. So either today or tomorrow, I mean, you're going to see a bounce. That's what I'm looking to capitalize on. All right, everybody, take care. Thank you.